Are you getting error code 8007006 on Fire Stick? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the Fire Stick. You mostly get error code 8007006 on Windows, but if you are using a Fire Stick on a monitor or LCD instead of a Fire TV, then you can encounter this error. Error code 8007006 on your Amazon Fire Stick usually indicates a problem with the app or the device's software. When you are getting such an error on a Fire Stick device, power cycle the Fire Stick. Sometimes this can fix minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. First, turn off the Fire Stick. Unplug your Fire Stick from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Ensure the internet connection is stable. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 3. Restart router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching to a mobile hotspot to see if it improves the connection. Method 4. Check for updates. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV. Then select About and check for updates. If available, download and install the update. Method 5. Clear cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app as an example. Select Clear Cache, then Clear Data as per your system select Settings option. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 6. Reinstall the app. You can try uninstalling the app on which you are getting the error, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 7. Reset Fire Stick to factory defaults. If the error persists, consider resetting your Fire Stick. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV and then Reset to factory defaults. Confirm the reset when prompted. Note that this will erase all data on the device. And there you have it. The ways to fix 8007006 on Fire Stick. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.